way better. Okay, no.
Oh, dang.
That one's still original. This is the modded one. Okay.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, we still got our Lexans.
I already hate that thing. Didn't even ride it. It's already a piece of garbage.
These are the parking elevators at Seattle Municipal Tower. And we just caught these mid-mod.
Sounds like this is the last one.
Going up.
Yep. How come... Go to 14? Oh, dang. Alright. We'll get a view out here. There's Columbia Center over there. You can also see the Smith Tower there.
Here's this one. Look. Let's see what's going on.
Okay.
Oh wow, you can see them working in that one.
Yeah.
No, they're not working on it right
Oh, it's open?
now. No, it's not.
It's not actively working on it.
We gotta wait till we start going down.
Oh,
We're going up.
Button's probably just burnt out.
no, it's someone's getting up here. Okay.
Alright,
Going down.
going down?
Yeah.
What floor?
4, please. Good service here. What's going on, guys?
We're just interested in elevators.
Oh, okay.
We're just checking them out. These elevators have very rare buttons, and we're checking them out because, as you can see by that elevator, as well as the one directly across, they're actually getting replaced.
Yeah.
So we wanted to document it.
Floor.
Good for you.
All right, you have a good day, sir.
Have a good one. You going down?
Okay. We may end up picking people up, but I want one more ride.
Hopefully they get the other car.
Listen to generator.
Oh, these are bottom drive.
Yeah.
All right, this time I'm gonna watch the buttons and the indicator. Well, the indicator, but buttons too.
Yep.
Gotta be at my house.
Fourth floor.
All right, we are heading up now.
Going up.
Yeah.
What floor do you want?
6,
7.
9.
I love these buttons.
Sixth floor. Saga level. Going up.
Going up. Which floor?
7.
7.
The reception is what? 7.
Saga level 7. Going up.
Wow, look at this.
Final ride.
Saga level 9. Going up.
These are either late
I kind of
401s
do.
or early 411s.
These are, I want to say, these actually are the budget Elevonic. I think these are MRQ is what they're called.
Okay. Well, what's interesting
You know
is...
what? Go to 1. I want to try to, let's get a look at the modded one. Just 'cause
Okay, yeah, we can do that.
it's going to reverse again. Usually it always does.
Yeah, you can definitely tell these are on Elevonic controllers.
Oh, we're going up
Well, that's what
again.
it's called.
It was called.
Ah.
Floor 14.
Going down?
Going down.
Yeah, some PPE. You know, like, because I think there's probably already bolts set in.
Which one?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, so all water has receded, but like everything that will touch is gonna continue to grow.
Saga
So
level 7.
definitely,
Going down.
yeah.
4?
Yeah, I think that's it. You know, I'm gonna bring clothes that I don't care about. So. Awesome.
Fourth floor. Main lobby. Going down.
And here we are on 1. You want to try to get the modded one?
Level 1. Going up.
Alright, let's let it go. Gotta wait for it to shut. Brand new call button. That one is currently being modded right now. This is the only modded one as
You
of
know what
right
it
now.
was?
I think
These
I
two have
hear
no
it.
drop keyholes. They added a drop keyhole.
Oh, okay.
I think I hear it. I have a feeling it's gonna send the original one back, but we'll see.
Someday it'll get here.
One of them will. Old one, new one.
And in progress one.
Yeah, that's in progress one right there.
I think I hear it.
Yeah, I hear it too. And here it is. Doesn't look like they've updated the cab, but oh wow, new buttons.
M4.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a fan.
Very generic.
Boring.
Yeah.
They don't. I think it actually runs worse now.
This one seems to
It runs
vibrate.
great. I don't know.
It seems to vibrate more than the original car.
Going down.
We're going down.
4.
Four, I think.
What floor?
3, 2.
Here are your new fixtures.
Micro motion.
And here we are. Oh, River, look at this.
What?
They actually didn't replace the whole call button on it. They just swapped the innovation ones out.
Wow.
Yeah, that's weird.
Budget lots.
Yeah,
Well-
they do weird things.